Hi everyone, it's Miss Yule. In this example, we'll find the volume of this composite solid and use 3.14 for pi. So composite solid just means we have two different solids kind of put together. So in this example, we have, it looks like a pencil, and there's a cone and a cylinder. So what we need to do is find the volume of both and then add them together since they are kind of on top of each other. So first, the volume of the cone. Let's do the cone first. So the volume of a cone is V equals 1/3 times pi times the radius squared times the height. So let's substitute our values in. V equals 1/3 times pi. The radius is 0.5. It's the same as the cylinder. So the radius is 0.5 squared. And the height of just the cone part is 2. So now let's simplify. V equals 1/3 times pi. 0.5 squared is 0.25 times 2. And just keep on simplifying. So V equals 1/3 times pi. 0.25 times 2 is 0.50 or 0.5. And then we'll just keep going from there. We can kind of just start to multiply with the calculator from here. So first we can do 1/3 times pi times 0.5. So you can really just type all of that right into the calculator. 1/3 is the same as 1 divided by 3. So 1/3 times 3.14 times 0.50 equals 0.52. So we're going to round it to the hundredths, so 2 decimal places. So when we round this, it comes out to 0.52. Next, we need to find the volume of the cylinder. So this part of the cone. The volume of a cylinder is pi times r squared times h. And now we'll substitute the values in. So V equals pi. The radius is 0.5 squared times the height of the cylinder, which is 17. Oh, sorry, not 17. The height is 15. And keep on simplifying. So pi 0.25 times 15. And I'm going to grab my calculator and do 0.25 times 15. And multiplying by, oh, sorry, we're not doing a third. Multiply by pi. So times 3.14 equals 11.77. And I'll round that second 7 up to an 8. Since there's a 5 after it, it's close to 11.78. So V equals 11.78. So now that we have the volume of each individual piece, we can add them together to get the total volume. So 0.52 plus 11.78. And I'll do some old-fashioned addition, and you, of course, can use a calculator. So 2 plus 8 is 10. 7 plus 6 is 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 2, carry the 1, 2, and 1. So it is 12.20. 12.20 centimeters cubed. I think it was centimeters, right? Yes. 12.20 centimeters cubed. So the main idea is to find the volume of each part and then add them together. In some problems, this is just one example. In some problems, you might have to subtract them if they're going into each other, but for this example, they are added. So yeah, thank you.